The monsoon session of Parliament has begun on a stormy note. Opposition began sloganeering as soon as the Prime Minister stood up to introduce the ministers who have recently been inducted into the Council of Ministers and tried to block his speech, demanding debate in the House. Reacting to the continued ruckus, the Prime Minister slammed opposition's unruly behaviour, said that he was expecting a peaceful environment as a large number of women MPs, Dalit MPs, tribals, MPs with farmers and OBC backgrounds became ministers this time around. But unfortunately, he says that some opposition leaders probably do not like this. Unquote.
मंत्री बने देश के किसानों के बेटे, मंत्री बने देश के दलित, मंत्री बने देश की महिला, मंत्री बने देश के ओबीसी.
The opposition is cornering the government over a host of issues like COVID mishandling, fuel price hike, inflation, farm loss, slow pace of vaccination and the decline in economic growth. There are several notices of adjournment demanding a debate that has been sought by the TMC, the Congress Party, the RJD and of course the Aam Aadmi Party as well.
देश के दलित मंत्री बने, देश की महिला मंत्री बने, देश के ओबीसी मंत्री बने, देश के किसानों के बेटे मंत्री बने. ये बात कुछ लोगों को राज नहीं आती है और इसलिए उनका परिचय तक नहीं होने देते हैं.
प्रधानमंत्री संसद में आकर सबसे पहले सदन की कार्रवाई प्रारंभ होते ही अपने मंत्रिमंडल के सभी सदस्यों का परिचय कराता है और पूरा सदन शांतिपूर्वक से प्रधानमंत्री की बात सुनता है और सभी जितने भी मंत्रीगण होते हैं उनका परिचय हासिल करता है. यह एक हेल्दी ट्रेडिशन यहाँ का रहा है. लेकिन मैंने पहली बार अपने 24 वर्षों के संसदीय जीवन में यह देखा है कि इस परंपरा को इस बार संसद में तोड़ा गया है. अध्यक्ष महोदय, मैं कहना चाहता हूं कि जो कुछ भी कांग्रेस ने किया है वह दुखद है, वह दुर्भाग्यपूर्ण है.
या हमारा नेशनल सिक्योरिटी खतरे में है, किसी का कोई प्राइवेसी नहीं है, सर्विलांस स्टेट चलते हैं. जरूर उठाएंगे ये मुद्दा.
किसानों का मुद्दा सबसे पहले आपने उठाना है और बाकी सारी जो ऑपोजिशन पार्टी हैं उनको साथ लेके आपने कोई भी कमी नहीं छोड़नी, किसी हद तक जाना पड़े. और किसान जत्थेबंदियों ने भी यही बोला है, भी आपको किसी हद तक जाना पड़े हम जाएंगे. ये विश्वास किसानों को और किसान जत्थेबंदियों को दिलवाते हैं.
Meanwhile, former NDA ally Shiromani Akali Dal leaders staged a protest outside Parliament over the farm laws, demanding them, I beg your pardon, to be scrapped for the benefit of the farmers. Listen in.
देश की महिला मंत्री बने, देश के ओबीसी मंत्री बने, देश के किसानों के बेटे मंत्री बने, देश के दलित.
गवर्नमेंट की क्या मजबूरी है कि वो किसानों की नहीं सुन रहे हैं. ना किसान समझ सक रहे हैं, ना कोई पार्टी समझ सक रही है. आज सबको बेनकाब होना पड़ेगा. जो किसान के हक में खड़े हैं उनको खड़े होके इस सेशन में सरकार को मजबूर करना होगा कि किसानों की मांग मांगी जाए. जिस किसान करके हम सब संसद में पहुंचे हैं, वो किसान 8 महीने से संघर्ष कर रहा है, 500 की खुदकुशी कर चुके हैं, लेकिन आज तक ना ओबिचुरी में उनका मेंशन किया गया है और ना ही काले कानून वापस किए गए हैं. तो हम पूरा दबाव बनाएंगे कि ये काले कानून वापस किए जाए और किसान की मांगे मानी जाए.
देश के किसान इंसाफ चाहते हैं, काले कानून वापस चाहते हैं. आज हमने एडजॉर्नमेंट मोशन दिया है. हम चाहते हैं कि सारी पार्टीज एकमुठ होकर सेंटर सरकार, मोदी सरकार के खिलाफ खड़े हों और ये प्रेशर डालें कि ये कानून वापस लें, क्योंकि ये काले कानून से देश का किसान तबाह हो जाएगा और ये समझ नहीं रहे मोदी सरकार.
Kamaljeet Sandhu reporting from Delhi is now joining us for the very latest. Kamaljeet, I believe both the houses of parliament at the moment stand to be adjourned, but there are also protests that are taking place by the opposition parties outside the parliament. Walk our viewers through the sloganeering that's going on, their demands at the moment, throwing straight across to you for more.
The beginning of the monsoon session has been quite stormy, with the storm within and outside the parliament. It's been pouring here in Delhi, especially outside the parliament, but we see a lot of action. Now remember, Rajya Sabha has been adjourned because of obituary. Raghunath Mohapatra and Rajiv Satav are two MPs who passed away, and there was an 1 hour obituary and a break after which it's expected to resume. But we know that the Congress party as well as the Aam Aadmi party have demanded that there should be discussion as far as price rise on essential commodities and fuel hike is concerned. On the other hand, Aam Aadmi party is expected to raise issue of Pegasus and surveillance. On the other hand, we saw a lot of action because the Prime Minister spoke in Lok Sabha, after which there was an uproar created by the opposition. Rajnath took an objection to it, saying that the opposition needs to behave. So yes, we do expect, as far as issues are concerned, the surveillance issue again being raised in Lok Sabha. It's going to be one of the highlights. The other part is obviously about the issues of farmers' agitation and how the government needs to take and stand on that particular issue. We also know as far as price rise, inflation, there are issues of the China LAC, all this eventually to be discussed in the 1 month long session. But clearly, at this point of time, the opposition is upping the ante, and we've heard the Prime Minister Modi and the government say that they're willing to answer all questions, provided there is a peaceful discussion. Now, we'll have to see whether the fireworks really continue or whether 29 of the bills and 2 of the financial bills which are slated to be passed in this parliament session go and are brought in a very peaceful manner, or there is a resistance which is faced by the Modi government. Challenges ahead, especially for the new cabinet ministers. Not only are they being introduced, but they're also seeing a lot of storm within the parliament on day one.
Absolutely, Kamaljeet. Continue to be with us. Kamaljeet is getting us minute-by-minute updates from the stormy session of the monsoon session of the parliament that, of course, now both the houses stand to be adjourned at the moment and protests are going on by the opposition parties, as Kamaljeet was reporting. Meanwhile, amidst the ever-high rising fuel prices, TMC MP, they've left in a cycle to the parliament wearing T-shirts with the message, "Stop the petrol loot." Here's a report.
As it's the first day of the parliament, the TMC MPs have taken the street against the fuel price hikes, and all the member of parliaments of TMC, be it Rajya Sabha or Lok Sabha, led by Kalyan Banerjee, are now heading towards the parliament. Dada, what is the message on this first day when the TMC MPs have taken a cycle towards parliament?
Whenever there is any anti-people decision, Mamata Banerjee as Trinamool Congress is always there on the road.
We have seen, uproar on the street. Now, is it the parliament and both sessions, the next few days, the opposition will take up this issue?
Time will prove.
So there you heard the TMC MP, and not just one, there are many, with the banner poster against the price hikes. The MPs have hit the street, heading towards the parliament, and that's the message you heard from the TMC when it said it will take up the issue. Dada, बरसात में निकले हैं बारिश के बावजूद, मैसेज क्या सरकार के लिए है या जनता के लिए भी?
सरकार के लिए भी है, जनता के लिए भी है. हमारा ये जो एक्शन है, it speaks for itself.
So, the first day, as Rajya Sabha may witness storm over the Pegasus investigation expose here in Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha, not just the farmers issue, but the fuel price hike issues are going to storm both the houses. With this report in New Delhi with Satyam Ashutosh Mishra for India Today.
Slipping into a break, but